Have you ever wondered about the profound depth and beauty that lies within the recitation of the Quran? Today, we dive into an exploration of this sacred practice, unwrapping the layers of meaning that resonate within each verse. Imagine a voice, soothing and calm, resonating through the quiet air. It carries the verses of the Quran, each syllable articulated with precision, each word carrying a weight of centuries. This is the art of Quran recitation, an act of devotion that is as much about understanding as it is about vocalization. As the reciter begins, they embark on a journey through the verses, their voice painting vivid pictures of the messages contained within. It is a dance between the tangible and the intangible, the seen and the unseen, the spoken and the unspoken. One of the key aspects of Quran recitation lies in tajweed, the rules of pronunciation that ensure each word is given its due respect and significance. It is not simply about reading the words correctly, it's about immersing oneself in the rhythm and the flow of the language, allowing the words to take shape and form in the heart before they are expressed through the voice. Now, let's consider the interpretation of these verses. Each verse of the Quran carries multiple layers of meaning, each layer revealing a different facet of wisdom. It encourages introspection, inviting us to reflect on our own lives and the world around us. It speaks of love and compassion, justice and integrity, peace and harmony. It offers guidance for life, providing a compass that points towards moral and ethical living. In essence, the Quran is more than a book. It is a map for life, a guide for the soul, a beacon of light in times of darkness. Its recitation is not just an act of worship, but also an act of learning and understanding, a journey towards enlightenment. In conclusion, the art of Quran recitation is a beautiful, intricate dance of words and meanings. It is a journey through the verses, a journey that is as much about the destination as it is about the journey itself. It is an act of devotion, an act of love, an act of seeking wisdom and understanding. It is a conversation that transcends time and space, connecting us to a wisdom that is as timeless as it is profound. So the next time you listen to a Quran recitation, remember the depth and beauty that lies within each verse. Remember the journey of the reciter, the journey of understanding and enlightenment. Remember the conversation, the dance of words and meanings. And most importantly, remember the profound wisdom that resonates within each verse, a wisdom that is as relevant today as it was over 1,000 years ago. Thank you for joining us on this journey of exploration and understanding. May it inspire you to delve deeper into the beauty and wisdom of the Quran.